if you could create the perfect sound for any video with just a few words. Ever struggled to find that exact audio effect you needed for your project? Today, I'm revealing a game-changing AI tool that might just end those struggles forever. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll show you how to create everything from rainfall ambience to corporate logo indents in seconds, all for free. This could literally transform your content creation process overnight. Today, we will explore this new exciting tool from Kling. Here on Kling, we have a new interface, as you can see, plus new tools and of course, a new design that's apparently much more interactive. So what do you say we try it out? First, we need to create an account. You can use your Google or Apple account for easy access. And as you logged in, you can see that we have a new interface, plus new tools, and of course a new design that's apparently much more interactive. Here we can enter a prompt describing our sound, and if you need some help, we have this new feature, which is the DeepSeek chat, to help us refine our prompts. But let's start generating our sounds right away. For this, we'll use this description. In this case, we're looking for raindrops hitting a window during a storm. For some people, this might be a common request, but let's try it anyway. Finally, we set the duration of our sound, which for this example will be 5 seconds. And that's it, so we press generate. And in a matter of seconds, we have these 4 results. Let's start listening to the first one. I must say it's quite good. As you heard, our sounds are great. Since we're getting such good results, let's start generating sounds with much more complex descriptions. In this case, we're looking for the sound of a busy city street with car horns and street vendors. Let's see if this model can generate it. These are our results. This is our second result. And this is the third and the fourth. So far, we have very good results. I honestly don't know what model they're using here on Kling to generate these sound effects, but whatever it is, it's very good. And before we continue, if you want to learn how to create motivational videos and attract new views and subscribers, you can watch this video to find out more. You'll learn how to start from scratch, from brainstorming, writing and production. We can also generate these types of jingles that can be used for our brands, logo indents, products, and very useful especially for video editors. In this case, we want a corporate intro jingle for a technology company, and we're asking for it with this fairly simple prompt, to which we can add this token or other characteristics that we want our jingle or logo indent to have. And these are our results. Let's listen to the second one. This is the third and the fourth. I don't know what you think, but I like the second one much more. But that's not all, because as I mentioned earlier, we can also add sound to our videos generated here on Kling. For that, we select one of the videos from our history. In this case, I have this video that you can see here. It's a mountain landscape with flowing rivers. I forgot to tell you that a prompt is automatically generated. You can leave it as it is, or you can also modify it. This way, your result will be influenced by the quality of your prompt, so keep that in mind. Let's see what sound the model generates for our video. These are our results. We also have 4 options. Let's listen to our first sound. And this is our second result. And this is the third. And this is the fourth. Okay? And that's it for this video. If you found value in this video, like it, subscribe and make comments on how to improve my videos, or if you have any topic you want me to talk about in my channel. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you next time. Bye-bye.